happens if one pilot tries to make the airplane go to the left while the other tries to make it go to the right. This type of situation is referred to as a dual input, and the result varies on the type of aircraft. On Boeing airplanes, the yokes are mechanically linked so that if one pilot moves his yoke to the right, the other yoke will also move to the right. Therefore, whoever puts in the stronger input will win. On Airbus planes, it works a bit different. If two pilots simultaneously apply a side stick input, the airplane will add the inputs together or average the inputs out, depending on the situation. Therefore, if the pilots pointed their side sticks in opposite directions, the inputs would cancel each other out. However, Airbus has a side stick priority button, which allows the pilot to set the priority to one side stick and make the airplane ignore the other one. And now you know